So, for those of you that might be interested in this, I am working on a house demo job, which I'm going to be doing some of this type of work when I'm out in Alaska. But I'll just show you real quick what we've been doing. This house was built in like the 1880s, 1890s, something like that, and it was just added on to multiple times. There's a number of chimneys. This is going out. I'm going to take that out here in a little bit. I was working with the excavator, and you can see we've taken a fair amount off. This was all plaster and lath here. You can see all the lines from plaster and lath. Again, here, this was plaster and lath. The ceiling was all plaster and lath. If you look up there, that was studded. The plaster and lath there. Again, plaster and lath, plaster and lath. This was all plaster and lath as well. I just took the floor out from upstairs. It was all heaved up. We're gonna extend this stairway here. It's really steep, so we're gonna extend that. Put a new floor in up here. Make a little closet right here. Single bedroom, and then single bedroom out behind us too. So that's kind of the plan. That's what we're doing. That's the demo job. There's a lot going on. This out here is all going to be, after all that flooring is removed, that's all going to be we're going to put an addition out there. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but I don't know, we've been at it for about 3 weeks, so just doing the interior, that type of stuff. So I don't know, another 3 months, something like that, and we should have things almost livable. So yep, anyway, update.